Hi friends, today we are discussing about the uh, what are the different type of joints and what are the how to use the joints in our in database. And see, joints is nothing but when you are join the two tables, we can use the joints concepts only. Joints are having various types of joints is there. We are discussing about inner joint, outer joint, and cross joint. In outer joint having two types. One is left outer, left outer joint, right outer joint, right outer joint. Okay, what is meant by inner joint and what is meant by outer joint, and left outer joint and right outer joint, and third one is cross joint. What is meant by cross joint? See, inner joint is nothing but whenever joining the two tables. See, we have two tables. One is person's values table, second one is person's table. Whenever person's table, we can join the two tables, person values and person's table. Only matched records we are get fetching from these two tables only. Suppose suppose here person's values having nine columns, nine rows. First, last name Srinivas Rao, Prasad Rao, Vishwanath Rao. uh, and these are the column, these are the values for the person values for the last name. And second table is a person's table. Person's table having the records is Srinivas persons, Srinivas, Prasad, Vishwanath, Prasad Rao and Vishwanath Rao. If you can join the two tables using inner join, persons on person is dot last name equal to persons dot last name. You can join the two tables. Only match was coming from both the tables. We have only four records because Prasad Rao and Vishwanath Rao, Prasad Rao and Vishwanath Rao, these values having both the two tables. See, if you can check this one, person values, Prasad Rao, Vishwanath Rao, Prasad Rao, and if you can check the persons table, Prasad Rao and Vishwanath Rao, we are having two tables. These two columns having this value is having both the two tables. Okay, for using the inner join, if you can using with left outer join, all the rows from person values. Person values having how many rows? Total 9 rows. And left person's table having how many rows? 8 rows or 5 rows, I think. 5 rows. Okay, if you can use the left outer join, all the rows from the left table, only matched rows coming from the person's table only. See, all the rows fetching from left table. Left table having 9 rows. And right table having person's table having only matched rows only we are getting from person's table. If you can use the right outer join, all the rows from the person's table, right table, and only matched rows coming from the left table. Now we are getting how many records? Only 5 records we are getting only now, I think. See, 5 records we can see how many records we are getting. See, 7 records only we are fetching because Srinivas, Prasad, Vishwanath, these are the records we have from the right table. Some person's value having some duplicate records is there now. Those records will be fetching there. Those records, duplicate records will be fetching here. These are four records and persons having five records. These duplicate records will be coming from persons value table. Some person values table having some duplicate records now. Vishwanath Rao, Prasad Rao. These are the tables 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4. Four records we are having, and this table having five records. See, this table having five records. This table having five records. Vishwanath Rao and Prasad Rao, and two more records will be coming from there. Now it's total 7 records. Total 7 records. Two more records coming from here. One is Prasad Rao, second one is Vishwanath Rao, third one is Srinivas. This is the way using the right outer join. If you can work with cross outer join, cross join, Cartesian product of the two tables. First table having is 9 records, first table having how many records? 9 records. Second table having 5 records. If you can use the cross join, Cartesian product for both the two tables. 45 records will be coming from here. Total 45 records. 45 records. This is the difference between inner join, outer join, outer join, cross join. Now next session I will give the group by statement where having class statements next class. Thank you.